Hey guys, what's up? I'm just on my way to an exhaust shop. I'm gonna get my rear muffler deleted. I'm just gonna have a straight pipe, so this car's gonna sound fucking sick and I can't wait. It's been a while because I've been so busy, like lost my job. I should have a new job tomorrow or next week, so should be able to get new parts for the R33 and should be all sweet. Yeah, I had a welder, but I sold my welder. I couldn't be fucked. I didn't have time to weld or anything, so I sold, and I thought, why not just spend that money on the exhaust shop to get that straight pipe done? So I'm doing that now. And I'll be doing a before and after, so I'll show you what it sounds like with the muffler and how it sounds like with the straight pipe. And with the new video, I'll probably set up the camera better back at the back of the car. What I'll do is I get better shots of it popping flames. So this video will have more flames in it than the other one did, because the other one was hard. It was just, I don't know what happened. Usually it pops more flames. For some reason that night it didn't. I guess I wasn't pushing it hard enough. Wink wink. And yeah, it should be fucking sick. Once I get that straight pipe done, I can shoot bigger flames, sound more tough. Yeah, so Josh's R32 GTR, he's actually getting a 6-boost manifold, and we'll be doing a video about it and his setup. So hopefully we can get that GTR running hopefully sooner than planned, because it's been a long time since that thing's been on the road. You believe one little bolt caused the timing belt damage. One little bolt fell off the cam into the belt area and just fucking shredded everything. One little bolt. So yeah, always tighten your nuts. Just got my car back and it sounds fucking sick. It's not as loud as I thought it was going to be. It's loud, but I'm just used to loud fucking noise, so I'm just hoping, I don't know. I'm happy with it, don't get me wrong. I just wish it was fucking louder, but I think it's loud enough for the street. And they did a fucking amazing job on it. Like, I was originally going to paint it black to make it more stealth looking, but they already made it black, so that's fucking sick. Top job to them. I just didn't want to film the job inside the workshop, because when you film in Australia, vlogging on the street or in someone's workshop in Australia, you're considered as a nutcase. In America, everyone just talks to the camera so freely on the streets, workshops, wherever. Everyone just looks at them like, oh yeah, they're just filming a video. In Australia, you talk to a camera on the street, you talk to on the camera in a workshop, they're just gonna fucking look at you and give you a shit. Like, this is Australia. It's fucking, it's not normal here to talk to a camera in front of people. It's just fucking weird. But anyway, exhaust is done. I'm fucking happy. So here it is. I'm gonna do a startup and fucking rev it a bit. And then the next video, oh man, I can't wait to see what kind of flames this will be popping. I'm fucking really excited. So here it is. Enjoy. cheers for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. Hopefully the next one, the flames will be fucking epic. Like, I'm hoping they shoot bigger than they did before, and I don't see why not, because this thing's all straight through, so nothing's stopping those fumes. Oh, I'm so happy, like, just seeing people's reactions when I drive by. There was this guy who's like, oh, and then this other chick was like, ooh, it's too loud. Oh, it's not loud to me, but I fucking love it. So yeah, cheers for watching our videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Catch.